Hello everyone, I hope you are doing well. Today we will talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of with app weekly settings. In this page we click on apps, default apps, app settings. Here in this page you will search about the application of Wizz and you will answer here in this page. Then here in this page of app info we click on first stop and you will click OK. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click on clear cache. In the end, you will turn off your phone and you will wait a moment to restart your phone again to fix that problem. So that's all. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time and thank you for watching.